All right, some alarm challenges here. Let's get going. It wants you to take that ball and every 15 steps, change its angle by 30 degrees. So we go to the ball. Now, when the ball's created, we have to get this cycle started and the alarm ticking away. So let's go to the ball. Let's go to create. And right when it's created, let's get this alarm turned on. I'll use alarm 0, and we were supposed to do it every 15 steps. Okay, and that's it. The alarm ticking away. Okay, eventually it's going to go off. And when it does go off, alarm 0, a little bit of code, and I'll make the direction change. Direction equals direction plus 30. Now, if I just left it at that, this alarm is only going to tick one time, and then we're done. This is supposed to be a cycle that just keeps repeating and repeating and repeating. So like you saw in the lesson videos, the trick here is if you want it to repeat, turn the alarm back on. So the alarm back to 15. All right, let's see if this actually works. And there they go, every 15, changing their direction. Ooh, cool looking. All right, let's get on to the next one. The next one wants the man, when the D key is hit, to self-destruct 3 seconds later. Okay, this should be easy with an alarm. Go to the man. Keep note here. Alarm 0's already been used. So key press. Letter D. We'll go to the tab here. And I want to set the delay. Alarms are perfect for the delay. I'll say alarm. Whoops, that's not good. This time I'll use alarm 1 because alarm 0 is already being used for something else. Equals, and remember 90, right? 30 steps per second. So 90 is going to be 3 seconds long. This is just a one-time go. The alarm ticks down. When it's done, I go to alarm 1 this time. And I won't bother with any explosions. Just instance destroy, and that's it. Should be gone. Let's give it a test. Hit the D key now. 2, 3, boop. Okay, and it's gone. Now I saw the ship disappear too. I'm a bit curious there. I'm going to try that again. Hit the D key. 1, 2, 3. Oh, no, that was just the writing up here. Remember in the draw event, I'm saying with man, draw something out. If the man's not there, it's not going to do that statement, right? There's no man to use, so no drawing. All right, that one was pretty fast and painless. The last one here is a good, clever one. It's let the man move left and right with the arrow keys. However, after they hit a key, the keys don't work for 3 seconds. Okay, this one here, it's a good one to know. Not that you use this exact thing in a game, but you'll definitely use things like it. So here we go. Let's just get those keys working. So let's go for keyboard left. Really quick code here you guys are good at. Speed is 1. Direction is 180. Let's go for keyboard right. Speed is 1. Direction is 0. Now, that's going to let the man move. Okay, nice and slowly. But my keys always work. I can wiggle around and move too fast. Okay, we're trying to limit it. So this is where we use this idea. Give the man a variable. We already have can fire there. I'm going to do something like can move. And I'll say can move is 1. And I'm going to use basically the exact same idea with the firing. 1 means we can move. 0 is going to mean we can't move. So we start off being able to move. When they press a key like the left key, I can't start moving in that direction unless can move is the right value. So I got to check. If can move is 1, then I can do this stuff. And of course, the trick here is now set can move to 0. Okay, by setting them to 0, you won't be able to move anymore. I'll do the same thing in the right key. If can move is 1, and then can move goes to 0. Now if I test this now, I should get to hit the key once, and that's it. Once can move is 0, there's going to be no more keyboard use. So we'll see if this works. Which way do you want me to go? Left? Okay, left. I'm hitting the right key. You know, that's it. Bye-bye. Who knows where he's going when they're off the screen. We need to re-enable the can move variable. We need to get that back to 1, and that's what the alarm is for. Okay, so this is great for this kind of stuff. I'll use alarm 3. I don't remember which alarms are already being used here, so I'll just pick alarm 3. And I think it said do a couple seconds or 3 seconds, so I'll say 90. Okay, can't use the keys again. And I'll do the same code inside of the left key. Can move is 0. I'll say alarm 3, go to 90. And of course I actually got a key in alarm 3. When alarm 3 does eventually tick down and fire off, it's going to enable our moving again. Can move, put it back to 1. And that's it. Okay, next time they hit a key, it'll be 1 again. They'll be allowed to move. They move, can move goes to 0. Turn that alarm again. Next time they hit a key, well, if they've waited long enough, the alarm will have turned can move back to 1 for them. Otherwise, the key won't work. Give it a go here. I hit right. I'm hitting left. Oh, there we go. I hit right again. I'm hitting right, right. Nothing. So you'll see it's only every 3 seconds. Now the thing is, I can wait more than 3 seconds. And as long as I've waited more than 3, the key's going to work. So, nice. This is good, you know, your car, your ship, your player gets damaged, and you know, you want to hurt them a bit so they can't control their character quite so well for a little while, right? While they repair. You know, the movement gets so weird. I don't know, you can dream up lots of effects there. You give them a power up or they do something great, but you only want it to last for a few seconds. All this kind of stuff we're going to use it for, using these alarms and these counters. So it's good little code to know. That's this video. Okay, that was using alarms. The next challenge you had was doing this all with just basic counters, which you'll probably find a little harder, which is the purpose, right? Make you think a bit. So we'll see you in the next video and see if you can do this with counters. Thanks for watching.